Welcome back everybody to the channel. I am super excited to be doing another gaming on a budget video. For this video, we're actually going to build a real system though. It's not going to be just some random stuff we found around. Now just a heads up, a lot of the stuff that I found on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist and even some of the stuff I even bought off of Amazon. So let's go down the list here. We got an H310M motherboard with an i3-8100 quad-core CPU and the Intel cooler, all together for $60. We got a Cooler Master 750 watt, 80 plus gold power supply on Facebook Marketplace for $35. We got a 240 gigabyte SATA SSD on Amazon for $17. We got 2x8 gigabyte DDR4 RAM for $25. A 1660 Super 6 gig card. It's a Lenovo Legion version for $100 off Facebook Marketplace. And all of that is gonna go into a Thermaltake S100 TG case that we got for $68 on Amazon, bringing our entire total to $305. Once we finish building this thing, we are actually gonna do some superposition tests on it so you can kind of get an idea of how it would run on video games. There you have it, everybody. We built another budget gaming PC for only $305. Now, those of you that are very observant could probably tell that I added 3 fans to the front of the case the last minute. That is because I was able to find somebody giving those away. They were actually going to toss them, and I told them, hey, I'll take them. They're barely used. They had a little bit of dust on them, so we cleaned them off, as you saw in the video. But hey, free is free. So, hey, I mean, you can't beat that, right? If you would like to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you would like to see videos of me going out and acquiring all of this, I'm talking about blog videos where I'm gonna meet the people and I'm gonna find the product and I'm gonna buy the product and all that stuff. If you would like to see stuff like that, make sure you tell me down in the comments. Those videos take a lot of work and a lot of time to do. But if I see interest in those, I might actually take a camera with me, take a GoPro, and just go ahead and show you my entire process and where I find my stuff. So anyways, until next time, take care of yourself and take care of others. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.